Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to contact UOB for credit card inquiries. In order to contact the UOB bank or the branch for the credit card inquiries, you could follow the steps. So first thing first, you could go ahead and open up a browser and type in uob.com/help or support. You could also do it. When you type in that information, you'll be taken to their official page, which will look something like this. So here you could go with the customer care service, and then you'll be able to find the ways to contact them. Over here, they'll provide you with all of these information, such as the contact details or email address, or you could also go with the chatbot as well. So this way, you should be able to contact the UOB for credit card inquiries. With that, we've come to an end. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.